Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the master plan of Mullapur region developed by Gamada. So in the map this boundary colored in red, this whole region is actually representing Mullapur region. So this Mullapur region primarily consists of Mullapur, Garibdas and New Chandigarh. Mullapur Garibdas is a town in Mohali district, and New Chandigarh is a newly planned smart city which is situated near Mullapur in Mohali district. The plan of Mullapur region has been designed by Gamada to resemble the world famous plan of beautiful city of Chandigarh. So it is also divided into sectors just like Chandigarh. Here in this map, if we see in this map, this region, which is in skin color, you can say here and here also. So you are seeing this region. This region actually represents residential area. At the start of Mullapur region, when it begins, you will find residential area. So in residential area, we will find EcoCity 1 and EcoCity 2 as major residential townships which will be developed by Gamada. Also, there will be many private housing societies, you can say. There will be big renowned real estate players like Omex and DLF there also. Omex is developing a big township there. DLF has also initiated an important project there. If you look into this map, you can find this small some this pink colored areas. These represent villages, and here if you see this orange colored area, this is for commercial, this is for mixed use. Mixed use means it can be either residential or commercial. In this Mullapur region, you can find lots of area in this dark green color, like this one. Uh, this one also, yeah. This dark green area, it represents the area reserved for parks. So we can find some area in dark green here. So we can expect, uh, you can say, beautiful healthy surroundings in Mullapur region because of these parks. And here you are seeing this kind of green colored area. If you go towards the left in the map, you will be able to find a lot of this kind of area in green color. So this green colored area represents the area covered by PLPA. PLPA stands for Punjab Land Preservation Act. So it's kind of restricted land, you can say. The basic purpose of PLPA Act is to prevent soil erosion there. It imposes restrictions on certain activities like cutting of trees or forest produce or erection of buildings. You can, if you want to know more about this PLPA, you can search it on Google. Here we are seeing this kind of green colored area also here, and some area here, this. So this kind of area in green color, like this one, there is a difference in this green colored and in this green color. So this kind of green color, this represents the area covered by the forest. Here we are seeing some oblique lines here. These oblique lines, they represent rural or agricultural land, you can say. Here we are seeing at the start of Mullapur region, after in between, you can say, residential area, we are seeing some area in light green color also, like this one here, this one, this one. So this light green colored area represents the area reserved for sports and recreation activities. So we know that Gamada has already proposed to build an international cricket stadium there with a capacity of 38,000 people. So we can expect Mullapur to be a great hub for international sports in future. Here we are seeing some area in light blue color. This one. This area represents the area reserved for technology-oriented industries and R&D institutions. So we can expect big tech companies like big giant IT companies to be opening their offices here. Here we are seeing capital letter E written over here. So this capital letter E represents the area reserved for educational institutions. So we'll be seeing some campuses of universities and technological institutions in this area in future. In this region, we are seeing this capital letter H. This letter H is the area represent reserved for the hospitals and medical institutions. Here we have got Tata Memorial Center's Cancer Hospital. A stem cell center is also under construction. Also, it has been proposed to build a medical college come hospital here. So we can expect very good medical facilities in the coming time in Mullapur region. If we come downwards, here we can see this capital letter CC. This area is the area reserved for civic and community institutions for civic or community or cultural purposes. So these can be courts, these can be police stations, these can be some special government buildings, these can be community centers, old age homes, orphanages, libraries, museums, and many more such kind of institutions. Here we are seeing this blue colored lines, thick lines. These ones, these ones. Here are also lots of these. These blue colored lines represent the river reserves and the water bodies flowing through Mullapur region. So to summarize, we can say that we will be getting big residential societies, parks, agricultural land, international sports stadiums, lots of tech companies, good educational institutions, and world class hospitals in Mullapur. So, what else do we want? That's why it will be called a smart city.